People, as an avid cyclist, I want to protect my bike when I'm out. I use two things. I use a disc brake alarm lock. It has an alarm in it. I also use, bear with me a minute, a decent high quality D-lock. It's another thing I use. A lot of people are buying these cheap tacky cable locks. And if you look in there, how thick the plastic is, and a little bit of cable in the middle. That is no security at all. These are not, they're useless. No security at all with that. And I just got through that with a normal hacksaw. Just one of these. Got through that within 2 seconds flat. Right? Absolutely useless. Totally useless.
Criminal harassment.